Welcome back to our channel Respect Education. Now let us see problem number 6. In triangle XYZ, let us draw a triangle XYZ. Right angled is at Y. So here this place is to be given to Y. Right angled is at Y. Now where to write X and Z? In remaining these two places can be written anywhere, no problem. Here if you write X, here you write Z. If not, if you write X here, you can write Z here. So I am writing here X and here is Z. Then YZ is equal to X. The value of YZ is given as X. And XZ means this one, XZ is 2X. Now the question is that determine angle YXZ, angle at X. So this is the angle we have to find. And angle YZX, middle one, what is that? Here middle alphabet, Z. So here angle at Z. So these two angles we have to find. So let us find first YXZ. So here I am writing finding angle YXZ. So let us solve this problem now. You see, as you are finding the angle at X, you just visualize that we are standing at X. We are at X now. Clear? If you stand at X, then what is the given ZY for X?
Opposite side.
Yes, this is opposite side. Here I am writing, this is opposite side. I am writing OPP. And for this angle, what is this ZX?
Hypotenuse.
This is hypotenuse. Now, which trigonometric ratio is suitable for opposite side and hypotenuse?
Sin theta.
Sin theta. So here let us apply sin theta. Sin theta is equal to opposite side to theta by hypotenuse. Now let us substitute the values. Here sin, in place of theta nothing is given, but the theta is at X. So we can take sin X. This is what? Sin X is equal, for sin X, what is the opposite side?
YZ.
YZ. Or you can write ZY also, no problem. By hypotenuse is XZ. Now let us substitute the values. Let us write sin X as it is, because we do not know the angle. That is what we have to find. What is the value of YZ? X. By this value is 2X. So let us write X by 2X. Here what get cancelled?
X
And X get cancelled one time. So here you understand. Left side, which trigonometric ratio is there? Sin is there. In sin, which value is 1 by 2?
30.
Sin 30 degrees. You just assume that sin and sin get cancelled. So angle X is equal to 30 degrees. Angle X equal to 30 degrees. We can write angle X as angle, here you see YXZ. So I am writing here, therefore angle YXZ, that is nothing but angle at X, that is 30 degrees. So here in this question, first bit completed. Clear? Now we are going for the second bit now. The second bit here, you have to take the angle at Z. If you stand at Z, then here this side becomes adjacent side and this side becomes hypotenuse. So not to disturb this, let us draw once again. This is the ZY and this is XY and this is XZ. Now here let us label the same, Y here, Z here and X here, and here given values also. Here X is given, here 2X is given. Now here the question is that we are going to find this angle. You just imagine that you are standing at that angle. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Now for you, what is this ZY?
Adjacent side.
So here we can write this as ADJ in short, which indicates adjacent side. And what is this ZX or XZ?
Hypotenuse.
Hypotenuse. Now Which trigonometric ratio has relation between adjacent side and hypotenuse?
Cos theta.
Yes. So here, let us write finding what is required? YZX. Angle YZX. Now, which theta is applicable here? Cos theta. Cos theta formula is
Adjacent side to theta by
adjacent side to theta by
hypotenuse.
hypotenuse. Okay. Now cos, here theta is at Z. So we can write cos Z is equal to adjacent side is
YZ.
here YZ by hypotenuse is XZ. Let us substitute the values. So here cos Z is equal to YZ value is
X.
YZ is X small x by here XZ is 2x. Now here what is to be cancelled?
X.
X and x cancel by one time. So here, so we got cos Z is equal to 1 by 2. In cos theta, which value is 1 by 2?
60 degrees.
Cos 60 degrees. Cos 60 degrees. You just imagine that cos and cos get cancelled. Therefore, we get here angle Z is equal to 60 degrees. Angle Z can also be written as angle YZX. Angle YZX is equal to here 60 degrees. Now, observe the question. What is to be asked now? What is asked to find?
Angle Y.
Angle YXZ, that is equal to 30 degrees, and angle YZX, that is equal to 60 degrees. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Right. Okay, now we see question number 7. Is it right to say that sine of A plus B is equal to sine A plus sine B? Justify your answer. See, observe carefully. In the same exercise, if you understand, if you observe the question number 3, it says the justification of this question. The meaning is that in that question you will come to know that sine of A plus B is equal to sine A plus sine B is false. Saying like this is not true. This is not correct. It is false. Then what is correct? If you see that question number 3, it will say us that the correct way is sine of A plus B, it has a formula, that is sine A into cos B plus cos A into sine B. This is the right way to say. This is the correct formula for sine of A plus B. It is not simply sine into A sine A and sine in plus sine into B sine B. It is not that much simple. Is it clear? Yes. Now here we are going to give justify your answer. We are going to give the justification. So for giving justification, how to give justification? By taking some examples. So let us substitute some of the values and we check whether the LHS part is equal to RHS part or not. So here let us take any two values, your wish, any two.
Sine 30.
Yes, we can take any two angles, 30 degrees and
60 degrees.
okay, let us take 30 and 60. If not, you can take 0 and 45, 0 and 30, 30 and 90. Clear? So whatever values you want, you can take. But here the thing is that if you take 30 and 90, when you add them, 30 plus 90 is 120. Sine 120 is not known to us. Of course, it has some value that will be known to you when you go to higher classes. At present, it is not known to us. So, do not take 30 plus 90, that is 120. 45 plus 60, that is 105. 45 plus 90, that is 135. Those are, especially for your syllabus, that is beyond our limit. Clear? So that's why better the known values can be taken. 0 and 45 can be taken. 0 and 30 can be taken. Clear? Yes. If you take 30 and 45, that is 75. Sine 75 is not known at present for us. So here better one is 30 and 60. Let us take 30 and 60. So here I am writing put in place of A 30 degrees and in place of B I am taking 60 degrees. Clear? So now let us substitute here. Consider LHS, left hand side part, that is sine of A plus B. Clear? It is sine of A means 30 degrees plus B is 60 degrees. So 30 degrees plus 60 degrees is 90 degrees. Clear? So it is sine 90 degrees. You see what is sine 90 degrees? 1. So left hand side part we got the answer as 1. Now let us check right hand side also. Clear? So here RHS. Here let us substitute in the given question once
Yes, sir.
to check whether it is true or false. So here you can write sine 30 and sine 60. So here RHS is sine A. A means,
30 degrees.
if you substitute here in this sine A plus sine B, this is sine 30 plus sine 60 degrees. Sine 30 degrees is 1 by 2 plus sine 60 degrees is root 3 by 2. When you take 2 LCM, it is 1 plus root 3 by 2. Is it equal to 1?
No, sir.
Is it equal to 1? No. That's why sine of A plus B is not equal to sine A plus sine B. So this is not equal to 1. That means this value is not equal to sine of A plus B. Here you do understand, I wrote equal to only. That meaning is that 1 is equal to sine of A plus B. Clear? But that is not equal to this value. 1 is not equal to this value. So finally sine A plus sine B is not equal to sine of A plus B. Is it clear? So here we can conclude that sine, let us write that one first. Sine of A plus B is not equal to sine A plus sine B. Now let us take RRHS now. Let us consider RRHS. Let us consider RHS here. This is what we have done earlier. This is the given in the question. That is what we checked. This is different. Now we are saying that this is wrong and this is the right. Now we are saying that this is the correct one. In that we are going to check whether it is true or false. Now here it is, say sine A into cos B plus cos A into sine B. Clear? Let us substitute the values. Sine A means 30. So it is sine 30 degrees into cos 60 degrees plus cos A means 30 degrees into sine B. Sine B is sine 60 degrees. Now let us substitute the values. Sine 30 is 1 by 2 into cos 60 is also 1 by 2 plus cos 30 is root 3 by 2 into sin 60 is also root 3 by 2. Now on simplification, 1 1 jar, 1 by 2 2 jar, 4 root 3 into root 3 is 3 because root 3 square root get cancelled 3, 2 2 jar, 4. When you take 4 LCM, this is 1 plus 3 by 4, that is 4 by 4 is equal to 1. Here you compare now this LHS, that is 1, and this RHS, this is 2. These two are correct. Is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Therefore, here we got, therefore LHS is equal to RHS. In which case they are equal? Let us write that one. This LHS, that is what? Sine of A plus B is equal to which RHS is correct? This one. So sine A
Sine A
into cos B plus cos A into sin B. This is the right formula for sine of A plus B. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Right. If you feel this video is helpful to you, please like, share and subscribe our channel. And please do not forget to press the bell button so that you will get the notifications from our channel. Thank you very much.